guys, just a quick one today. With the US holiday, it was pretty quiet. Although during the Asian session, the US weakened somewhat, and then during the European session, it strengthened. And once Europe closed, it's just gone sideways. And that's about on par for the day for the US holiday. Aussie dollar was the strongest of all the currencies. If we go and have a look at the Aussie pairs, we do have RBA in a couple of hours at 2:30 local time. But if we're going to have a look at the Aussie pairs, it gaining some strength against all its peers. As we can see, Aussie was the strongest one against everyone. And that's kind of to be expected with the RBA expected to raise rates this afternoon at 2:30 local time. Post that, I dare say the Aussie will be under pressure. Not much of a lead in the commodities. Again, they're mostly traded on new US exchanges, futures exchanges, and so we're not getting much of a price feed from them. So I wouldn't sort of put too much weighting on what's happened so far until we get the US really sort of coming into the market. Their night session has started. We can see that US bonds have gapped up a little bit, up 2% or something like that. So a bit of strength back into the US dollar early in their night session. So what to look for today? Well, let's quickly look at the stocks. A little bit weaker, but again, I wouldn't sort of take on a directional trade without having the US fully into the market yet. So that'll be sort of another maybe 10-12 hours away before they come back in for their the first full day session from the long weekend. A little bit of weakness there, but not much to write home about. And then across into the currency majors. We're talking about these resistance levels on the Aussie and the pound, and this support level on the euro. I think the pound had a look at that resistance level. That's the Aussie. The pound had a couple of hours was underneath that resistance level through the European session, pushed late in the Asian session into the European session, pushed above it and closed back below it, and sitting just under the 21 handle at the moment. So there's a trading opportunity there. I think we're looking for a stronger US dollar throughout the night and evening sessions. I would expect that with plenty of room to go on the momentum indicator before being oversold again. So, oversold. So, still looking for that weakness in the pound. And stay out of the Aussie until after the RBA. And that's about it for today, guys. Thanks.